Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to bake crispy fish. First and foremost, you soak the fish in milk mixed with pepper, salt and lemon to make it tasty. Also, if you have the beef pepper, you can add it to make it tasty. And also the lemon prevents bad smell coming from the fish. You soak it a day before you cook your fish. Then here we have an egg mixed with pepper and salt. Then here we have the crispy baked bread mixed with flour like this. So guys, I have put 2 tablespoons of cake. Now I'm going to put 1 tablespoon of flour and mix it together. Okay, so I've mixed it together. That is how it looks like. Now we want to cut the fish. When you cut your fish, you dip it in the egg. Then here, and this is how it looks like when you dip it here. This is my final product. Then you put it where you're going to put the rest of the fish. Now this one is for the oven. This is how it looks like. Okay, this is my oven. I'm going to put it in a middle fire. Okay, we put it here at the middle, so that it will be well done from the inside to prevent bacteria if it's not well done. So I'm going to put my end product there at the middle of the oven. Then I'll turn on my oven up to 150. Okay, at a low fire. So let's put it at 160 and wait for 30 minutes. So I am going to put an alarm for 30 minutes. So wait with me. So you see, it's at 30. So when my 30 minutes is done, my clock will ring to check. So guys, after 30 minutes, I've turned my fish that was in the oven. I want to put it again now for 15 minutes. The fish should turn brownish like that. Now I want to return it for 15 minutes, then my fish will be done. So guys, this is the end product for my oven fish, the baked one. Thank you guys. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel to get more and to enjoy more dishes cooking with me at home with simple remedies and recipes. Thank you. Bye bye.